Sri Lanka, an island shaped by ancient winds, tropical forests, and timeless stories. A land where nature still breathes freely, and where some of its greatest giants continue to walk the earth. Among these giants stands the Sri Lankan elephant. For thousands of years, elephants have lived side by side with people on this island. They appear in ancient temples, in legends, in festivals, and in the memories of every traveler who witnesses them in the wild. But beyond culture and legend, they are living beings with families, emotions, and remarkable intelligence. To truly understand them, you must watch them in their world. In the early morning light, herds emerge from the forests, moving slowly, gently, as if the whole landscape bows to their presence. At the heart of every herd is the matriarch, the oldest, wisest female. She leads her family across plains, through forests, and toward water, guiding them with memory passed down through generations. The young walk close to their mothers, learning with every step. A calf may wander, stumble, or explore, but an entire herd is there to protect it. Their bonds are strong, stronger than most people realize. Elephants are the largest land animals in Asia. A fully grown male can weigh up to 5 tons. Their trunks hold thousands of muscles, able to lift a log, yet gentle enough to pick up a single leaf. Every year, lives are lost on both sides. It is a reminder that even the strongest creatures can be vulnerable when their home disappears. Yet there is hope. Across Sri Lanka, dedicated conservationists, wildlife officers, and communities are working tirelessly to protect these giants. National parks, wildlife corridors, and education programs are helping humans and elephants live safely. The elephants of Sri Lanka. May they walk these lands forever.